Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Any person who possesses the property of an accused for the benefit of the accused is termed as Benamidar in the NAB Ordinance 1999. The judge of an accountability court is appointed by President in consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court. An accountability court is consists of one judge. In case chairman and deputy chairman NAB are absent or unable to perform their duties, the chairman NAB can authorize any officer of the NAB to act as chairman NAB. Which section of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with appeal and revision? Section 32. A judge of an accountability court is appointed by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. The Chairman NAB is appointed by the President in consultation with Leader of the House in the National Assembly and the Leader of Opposition in the National Assembly. The Chairman NAB is appointed for a non-extendable period of 4 years. The current chairman NAB is Justice Retired Javed Iqbal. Who is the current deputy chairman NAB? Hussain Asghar. The deputy chairman NAB is appointed by the President in consultation with Chairman NAB. The deputy chairman NAB is appointed for a non-extendable period of 3 years. Who can be appointed as chairman NAB? A retired judge of Supreme Court, a retired Chief Justice of High Court, a retired army officer of equivalent to the rank of a lieutenant general, a retired federal government officer in BS 22 or equivalent. Who can be appointed as deputy chairman NAB? A person who is or was a federal government officer in BS 21 are equivalent. Or a person who is or was an army officer equivalent to the rank of Major General. The word code in the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 refers to Section 25A of the NAB law deals with forming a conciliation committee on account of non-payment of dues. Who will act as the chairman NAB in case of chairman NAB is absent or unable to perform his duty? Deputy chairman. Section 25A of the NAB law deals with forming a conciliation committee on account of non-payment of dues. In case of any difficulty arises in functioning under NAB ordinance, who can make orders consistent with the ordinance to remove that difficulty? Chairman NAB with approval of the President. Any person who refuses to answer questions or to provide information to NAB or any other agency may be imprisoned for a term which may extend to 5 years. The schedule in the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 describes offences and punishments. National Accountability Bureau was established to eradicate corruption and corrupt practices, hold persons accountable accused of corrupt practices.